Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on your Hisense Smart TV so you can get back to streaming without interruptions. Important notice: this issue can happen due to network glitches, incorrect settings, or firmware problems. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot. Step 1. Restart your Hisense TV and router. Turn off your Hisense TV and unplug your Wi-Fi router for 1 minute. Plug the router back in and wait until the internet is back. Turn on your TV and check if the internet works. Step 2. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, Network, Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network and choose Forget Network. Scan for networks again and reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password. Step 3. Check network settings. Go to Settings, Network, Advanced Settings. Make sure your TV is set to get IP address and DNS automatically. If you use manual DNS, try switching to Google DNS. DNS 1, 8.8.8.8. DNS 2, 8.8.4.4. Step 4. Update your Hisense TV firmware. Go to Settings, About, System Update. Download and install any available updates to fix bugs. Step 5. Reset network settings if needed. If all else fails, reset network settings to default. Go to Settings, System, Reset, Reset Network. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and troubleshooting guides.